I think here it's one of the things that bezingayenza i-tournament yakhe ibe good. He should have done better there. Let me take it back. Imagine had he given an assist lana, you know, confidence yakhe, it would have been very high. Yeah, but hey, sizawuthini. This was a bad pass la. It was a bad pass. No, this one, say, analyze. His first touch was bad. Let's take it back. Let's say, analyze. It's small things that will make you have a good game. His first touch was bad, and had he passed the ball here or passed the ball there, but because of his first touch and second touch was not good, yiyo egcina imenze abuyele emuva. First touch, the second touch, ugcina sekabuyele emuva. Imagine had he played the ball, had he tapped the ball kahle. This is our second game against Egypt. This wasn't a good play for me because he was supposed to pass the ball forward. We end up getting a corner, ne? We end up getting a corner, but let me take it back and show you, Wuti, what I would have preferred. So, remember we are trying to go forward. We are trying to break a team. So yeah, you play a pass, Ugumudiba, and then he's gonna play a cross or whatever. So Sesba, if he passes Umudiba here, we have already broken down midfield. But by him turning around, it means now everyone we understand. Now we have to break them down this side again. Okay, we did, but we could have done it on the left-hand side. So for me, it wasn't really a good play because we are chiga ubuyele move.